everybody! Welcome to the MakeCode Arcade live stream, advanced edition today. My name is Vivian. I'm at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joey at JWonderl on the MakeCode forums.
And I'm Richard at Richard on the MakeCode forums.
And today we are doing a long-awaited stream, awaited by me. I'm not sure if awaited by you, and that is making chess. And my goal today is just to be able to move the pieces around the board in a legal fashion. And so all we've done so far is import the 8x8 tilemap extension, which is Rhino/small-tilemaps. And then it adds in a thing here. Then I made my chessboard. Oh yeah, we did this because the chessboard wouldn't fit on a screen otherwise. And then Richard and Joey are making me pieces. And now I'm going to import the sprite data extension. I didn't think through any of this, even though I gave myself plenty of time to do it. So we'll just wing it and see. Let's make a cursor, and this is my idea of how you drag the pieces around and then try to drop it. And if it's a valid spot for it, it'll let you. And if it's not a valid spot, then it'll go back. And then, yeah, let's make a hand. Too bad Shannon's not here. Let's make it 10. Nope, not 600.
It is too bad Shannon's not here. Well, yeah. No, it's good for Shannon.
It's good for Shannon, but we always miss. There are a lot of rules for chess. We'll see if we can do it. I figure, it's good to try things and fail than never try it at all.
And we know a lot of the rules. I can help.
Yeah.
That's almost what the saying is.
It's better to have lived and let die than never lived at all.
Yep, that's it.
Mm-hmm. Really?
I'm pretty sure.
No,
I'm pretty sure that I saw that in the intro to a James Bond movie. Is the intro song?
Does James Bond have songs?
Quite the problematic James Bond movie too.
Is it? I actually remember nothing of it besides that it's called the name.
Yeah, no, it's a shame because it has the best intro song.
What does it sound like?
What
doesn't let die.
Yeah.
Bum 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 bum. And now Joey comes in singing like Paul McCartney.
I don't remember any more of the song than that.
Got a question in the chat. Will we continue our horticulture game, or was it only meant to last 5 streams? As I said before, it's going to last as many streams until people tell me to stop doing it. So we're going to keep doing it, but it's going to be something that we come in once or twice a week.
Horticulture game never dies. Okay, and now
we got another question, which is, what's a Paul McCartney? Paul McCartney, it was one of the Beatles. Oh. He also wrote that song that I was singing.
Okay, so all I'm doing so far, because I don't have chess pieces yet, is I'm going to have the hand, and it's going to go around, and when it picks something up, we're going to use the A button to pick it up. It'll go and then when we release it, it'll go again.
Oh, fancy.
Right? Well, how would you have it do it?
I mean, I probably just would have done a hand that doesn't change, but I like your fancy one more.
This game is all about immersion. We want to really feel like you're playing the game of chess.
Yeah, like you're at a park. And you're at one of those tables, and you're playing chess.
Yeah. Wait. Oh, wait. No, that's fine. I got confused. Hand image. And let's have 2 variables. Well, actually, no, we don't need to have 2 variables. We can just put them here. And then let's make another one like this. I didn't name it right. Aha. Great. And then let's see. Okay, the thumb should be going across. And then it's your fist. And then let's do some shading for it. I would like to hear everybody in chat's favorite chess piece.
I mean, I think it's obvious.
Obviously, the knight.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah, it's got the
Whoa.
it's a horse. Come on.
I thought everybody's favorite was gonna be the queen because it's so powerful.
I mean, the pawn's really a rags to riches kind of thing, though, so that's pretty cool.
That's true. I do love an underdog. Pawn.
But don't you want to have agency? The name pawn kind of implies that you don't have it.
Until you become, whatever you want. You can become a queen. You can become a bishop. You can become a, knight, rook.
Can a pawn become a bishop?
Except for a king. You can become anything besides a king. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It is only ever really used to avoid stalemates, or to show off, I guess.
I love showing off.
Oh man, guys, this is hard. Hands are really hard to draw. This might be where we fail. This is our what's the place that Napoleon failed?
Waterloo?
This is our Waterloo. Who knows? Big question mark. Maybe we'll do castling. Okay, so now let's just see if our hand can open and close and how the closed hand looks. Oh man. You see this normal hand, very proud of this hand. Then this happens. You're like,
the normal one is great though.
the normal
It's
is
like normal, and then you said something wrong, and they're ready to fight, so they make a big fist.
It doesn't look like a fist. I don't think it even looks like. It looks like a fox. It looks like maybe you got into a fire accident. Okay, I'm going to start from something good, which is this hand, and then I'll just curl it up. Yeah, why didn't I just do this to begin with? This was, I think, the better choice. Maybe. Okay, wait. The issue is that the thumb is attached to your hand. So it should be, oh man. It should be here. Okay, yeah.
It is good to not play that game where you accidentally get your nose stolen. I guess you don't lose your thumb in that game very often. That'd be an aggressive version of the game.
Yeah. I'm happy with this. It looks like you're pinching, and you know what? That's good enough for me. Okay, wait. Do you guys have pieces for me yet?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Wow. Wait, I haven't done all of them. Wow, Joey.
Joe, you have all of them done?
I mean, they're my drawings, so they're like.
Oh wait, I need to open up Teams again.
I'm doing mine as a sprite pack, so they'll all come at the same time.
Oh. Wait, Joey, are you doing yours as a sprite pack?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's in the
I'm not doing
blue
mine
chess
as a sprite
pieces.
pack.
Nice. Okay. Let's bring in Joey's wonderful chess pieces. Paste. And let's see them in the gallery.
So 8x8 is not that much, so the height is a little bit off to some degree. But
did I do something wrong? Oh, there they are. Sorry, they just blended in so well. Oh, these are cute. Wow.
So it's pawn, rook, knight, bishop. The queen is a little hard to tell, but then the king's got the cross on the top.
Yeah, makes sense. I love it. Okay, so let's use these. Let's make a function. Let's do set up chess board. Maybe chess is unnecessary. Of course it's chess. Okay. And then do I hard code the board to have the starting positions? Do you think? And then switch it later?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I don't think we're going for the four-player free-for-all chess anytime soon.
I really want to do that though. Wouldn't that be cool? Okay.
Oh boy, Joey, look what you started.
Okay. P. This is for pawn. And wait, is blue gonna be like the black? Yeah, let's say blue's black.
Blue, yeah.
Because it starts with B.
Yeah.
Wait, let me check that logic.
Oh.
Yeah, checks out.
Actually, okay, so somebody in chat asked for the pieces as a sprite pack, and they're already a sprite pack. I'm pasting it into chat right now. So if you want to use the beautiful art, do it. Oh, sorry, Joe, it's your art.
Like, do that whole, make a GitHub package where we just upload every time we do any art and stream. But that's a lot of work. It's not
Yeah,
that.
I mean, it already takes me so much time to go and label the videos and make the forum post, which I haven't done for yesterday.
Yeah, Richard, I wasn't sure if you didn't do it because you were confused with all the YouTube links. You had to
No,
watch
I
all
forgot.
of. Okay,
I
good.
just forgot until just now.
I felt
I'll
bad.
do it during this stream
Is
once
this
I'm
one-
done with my chess pieces.
Is this one bishop and this one's knight? I forgot. You can see it in a second. I'm going to move my knight. Knight. I'm sorry, it's knight. Okay.
Oh, are you asking like which piece? It's rook, knight, bishop, queen.
Okay, cool.
Well, queen's on her own color, so
Is
queen would be on the dark side.
Okay, yeah. Man, it's been literal years since I've last played chess. Maybe I should have played chess a few times before trying to code.
Yeah, quick poll. Who on this call is good at chess?
Joey is.
I'm not good at chess. Like 900 or something. That's like
Isn't that good?
children's competitive level.
Oh, you know what? Better than me. You know.
Yeah,
what?
I mean, you know a number. That's better than me.
And
I
let's
joined a
just.
chess club in middle school, but it was mainly just to hang out with the cool kids.
Aww. We didn't have a chess club. King duplicate. I didn't.
I don't remember
opposite.
playing much chess.
There was like a chess club at our library. I think I was one of the worst ones there, and everybody there was younger than me. But I want to get good at chess, but I need to start playing it, and maybe this will help me start playing it more. I'd be like, I made this, so I got to use it.
I don't think you need to play chess to be good at it. You know, I think it's mainly just about
It's really a thinking
your
person
attitude.
game, right? So if you're thinking about it, then you're good.
And you know what? I'm thinking I want to think about chess more than anybody else in the world.
Give it a good
Oh,
think.
man.
Yep.
You're gonna become one of the top chess minds.
Yep. Who else has coded chess? I'm pretty sure this is, uncharted territories.
Oh,
Nobody's
I have
ever
that
actually-
for you.
Played chess before. This is the first time anybody has ever played chess.
I got confused. Bishop. Okay. Okay. Now we have all these things. Now let's just place them correctly. So for an array of all the pawn locations, P. Should I have different types for each individual piece? No. I'll have the same type for all the sprites, and then I'll just add it. That's why I brought in arcade sprite data. Okay, let's.
What? You didn't just bring it in because it's your favorite extension?
I just followed my gut, and I knew we needed it.
I think it would make sense to have a different kind for each.
Really?
narrative.
Why?
You're right. Well, I mean, they're different kinds of sprites. They're different
Yeah,
kinds
but
of
then
pieces.
we have to write a bunch of overlaps for the different ones, probably.
I'm not sure overlaps is necessarily how you're going to want to implement
The grabbing.
much. I guess
All right.
I guess overlaps for grabbing, that makes sense. Yeah.
Oh,
Real quick. Okay, so we have let's see.
What am I
On Saturday Arduino says maybe we should have started with checkers. Wow, burn.
so literally weeks ago when we were talking about what we were gonna do for a stream that day, I brought up doing chess, and Richard was like, maybe chess is a bit too hard, and I was like, maybe you're right, and then Richard was like, oh, we should start off with checkers, and then I said, I don't know how to play checkers. And then, so instead of doing that, we started doing the board game project, which is how we did the board games.
Okay, we also got a question. How do you do a share link? So there's a share icon in the top bar inside of the editor. It looks like a bunch of circles connected by lines.
I can recrop
If you
so people
click on
can see
that-
it. Actually, no, I can't. Sorry, Richard, you go.
Yeah, well, if you click on it, you'll get a share link that you can then, share your games with.
So it's
Yeah,
the
right.
top left here.
Yep.
If you and they might have meant how do you put a share link into the chat? The answer is you don't. I guess
Oh.
the URL. But if you just cut off the last bit after arcade.makecode.com, you can paste that in because that's not a URL, and then everybody can just know go to arcade.makecode.com/that.
Yeah, we can do it because we have superpowers.
Woo!
Yeah.
And Joey, here's a question for you. What's the official chessy word for what kind of piece it is? Is it just piece?
Wait, what kind of?
It's a pawn versus is it a roll?
I don't know if there's a necessary word for that. I would just call it the piece, the type of the piece.
Type. Okay, I'll put type. And then let's also set another piece of data, and then like let's do it like color. Let's be blue. This might be should I say black? Both ways might be confusing. I'll say blue. Blue. Okay, yeah, I'll just say blue. Okay.
I have a question for Joey. How do you what's castling?
So castling, there's a lot of rules, so I don't know if we're going to implement it here just because it's a pain. If there's a clear line of sight between your king and your rook on either side, you can castle.
On either side? I thought it was only the one that was closer to you.
You can do queenside castling, but it's
wow,
more work.
I've been doing it wrong this whole time.
Anyway, technically the thing is you move the king over 2, and then you move the rook on the opposite side in place of the king, like 1 to the other side of where the king is. So the rook passes the king. You can only do it if none of the pieces, like the places you put, are under like threat. So you can't do it if like a queen's scaring everybody away.
Oh my gosh, that was so many rules.
So yeah, there's a lot of rules. So
Joey, I have another question for you.
If neither have been moved. So you can't move the rook back and then castle. It has to be the first move for both the rook and the king.
That may be an edge case we don't care about. I had a question. Is this the bishop?
Is this the bishop? Can you click on it? I can't see.
Oh yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, that's the bishop. I gave it a smiley face because I figured the bishop should smile. I didn't really know what else to do.
Is it a smiley face?
Yeah.
Oh, cute! I love it. Okay, I'm down. I'm so on board. Okay, and then, what's left? The king. King. Okay. Oh, we have a question for how to share assets. Should I talk about it, or do you guys want to talk about it? You guys talk about it. I'm doing things.
Yeah. So the thing we're using is a little hackathon project that Shannon and I did a long time ago, and that I'm going to be hopefully improving soon. I'm planning on doing some more work on it so that it gets more useful. But there's this little thing right there. shikao.github.io/arcade sprite pack. And if you open that up, you'll just have like the asset editor, and then there is an export to project thing that then you can share, and it'll show up in the gallery. Some things to be aware of is that you should rename your sprites, because otherwise, if someone else also doesn't rename their sprites, you'll get conflicts. And then also you should expect bugs, because there are bugs.
Yeah. When you do that, the way you make it into a share link is you just press the export button, and then you drag it into Arcade, and we just magically accept it if it's the MakeCode file.
Yep. Sorry. Good explanation, guys. I was totally paying attention.
Okay. Am I missing any pieces, Joey? Pawn, rook, bishop, knight, queen, king.
Pawn, rook, bishop, knight, king, queen. That sounds right.
All right.
Nope.
Unless we want to support custom pieces that we make, we could do that too.
Okay. Here's my question. Is there a math way to do this? If I add it.
What are you trying to do?
No, I'll do a not. I want to set up the board correctly. New variable is dark square. So I want to, change all the things afterwards to be the right colors again. And I was like,
Yeah.
oh, if I add the row and the column, but I'm pretty sure I'll just alternate.
Yeah.
And then I'll set, okay, for each one, I'll set it to not.
If it's helpful,
Uh-huh.
the queen always starts on their own color, so you can, use that if it helps. You can start like filling it in from the queen and go to the sides. But
No,
I'm not
I was
sure.
just gonna start from the top and just like do
Ah,
it.
that works too.
Okay, and then I'm just gonna do a classic if else. A classy if else. If it's a dark square, then we will set. Where is it? Set tile.
I stuck my chess pieces in the chat, by the way.
Excellent. Thank you. Wait, why is this? Oh, one of them is a small one and one's a big one. These are the small ones, I guess. Okay. And then where does
the top ones are the small ones, yeah.
Oh, excellent. Okay, and then I will do some counting. So we got to start off here. So that's a 2 2. So it's going to be 2 plus like our offset column. And then row. Else, we will set this to be the light piece. Now let's see the board change to be correct. It will definitely work on the first try.
Oh no! Wait, I think I need to edit my pink chess.
Did I do it backwards? Okay, go ahead. I'm doing something wrong. Okay, column is going.
So you need to
Oh,
start.
okay. I need.
Flip this dark square outside one more time, I think, right?
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
On the outer loop.
Okay, I'll do I was gonna do a mod, but so glad Joey's on the call.
I was using the light purple color because I thought your alternate color was tan.
Yeah. Can you zoom in just so I can
Oh yeah.
look
Does it start right?
at
I have the
the
chess.
queen is on its own color? Yeah, that's right.
Oh, excellent! Yay, Joey is our chess wizard, and also, will we add support for piece points? I feel like once we get it all going, piece points will be an easy thing to add. But
I mean, they're easy to add now if you want. It's just pawns are worth 1 point.
yeah, but
Bishops
we
and knights
haven't
are worth
even
3.
done moving the pieces or
Yeah,
eating the pieces.
I mean, we'll have to find a way to display it too. That's a lot of work. We can come back to it.
Yeah, if you guys are into the whole chess stream, then we can make chess a long-term project for us. But if if it's painful and you guys hate it and we hate it, then we won't. But we'll see. Wait, Richard, is this newest link the link for me?
No.
Okay.
I'm doing it right now. 1 sec.
Okay, I will wait. So yes, let us know if you like. How do you share the links? It saves files, not links.
You drag the file into Arcade, like anywhere pretty much, but on the home screen works. And we'll just load that file, and then you can make a share link from that.
There you go.
Thank you. Excellent. Oh, these look cute. Okay. Let's bring it in. Oops. I just want this part. I don't
No,
know
my
why
secret name.
Richard, you're terrible at keeping secrets. Okay. Now let's change it. So this has got to be a king. Oh, these are cute too. I'm such a fan. A+. Good work, guys. So good. And let's make this pink. And then we'll just do this for everybody. So then the queen, we'll change this to be the queen. Queen? Pink queen. Oh, you even named it. Wow. That's attention to detail.
Yeah, Joey, you could learn a thing or two.
No, Joey, you're doing great too. Richard, we can't get Joey mad at us today. We need Joey today.
All right, I'll save my jabs for another day where Joey can be mad at us.
Yeah, on a non-chess day. Knight. Okay. And then we have the B, which is a bishop. Oh my gosh, it should have been a B. Which one's the bishop? This one? Pink bishop.
That one, yeah.
I like how the pieces aren't the same. So you can be like a pink main, or you could be like a blue main, but it's really hard to switch between the two. This is a game of skill. Okay, now we gotta find the rook. Rook. Pink rook. 2? Why was there 2?
Oh, yeah. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Hey.
We don't talk about the other rook.
What's a rookery?
So we don't allow links because we don't want people to spam in the chat, but it is kind of annoying that we can't do share links. Sorry, but you can share them on the forum.
Guys, it just works. I'll change the Z index of the mouse. Joey, were you gonna say something?
No, I was just gonna say it looked good.
Oh, yeah, it does. This might be an issue later when we have... Okay, no, I won't do this 100. Yeah, if we have like UI elements, we don't want it to be on top. Okay. Excellent.
Maybe I should have tried mine against a purple background, but yeah, it's all right.
Wow, you don't like it? I think it looks amazing. I think it looks so modern. This is what we want chess to look like nowadays.
It's kind of hard to tell. Joey's are much easier to tell because he did the shadow consistently.
Yeah, they're definitely two different styles. Joey's looks like 3D, and yours looks like flat digital design. So you could say that this game is a battle between old versus new. And then how do I get? I'm gonna do a Richard trick.
Ooh.
I'm gonna do this hand undefined. I love this trick. It's so beautiful. Okay, and so on A button pressed. Let's make it.
Maybe we should just add undefined, but I have no idea where we would add it in the categories. You know?
Do we have a garbage category? Do we just put stuff? No, we don't.
What do you mean a garbage
category is kind of loops. But
that's true.
I think putting undefined in loops is a step too far.
Maybe arrays. You can have undefined elements in arrays pretty often. You always have undefined elements in arrays, actually.
Joe, you're right. I don't want an overlaps event.
Well, you can always access an undefined element in an array. That's the right way to say it.
Okay, let's make...
I think we should just pretend NaN doesn't exist, though. That's pretty safe.
Oh, yeah, I don't think we should do NaN. No way.
I don't even know what NaN is.
Not a number.
Yeah, but I've never used it.
Nobody knows what NaN is. That's the whole point. NaN doesn't even know what NaN is because they're all different.
NaN
Sure.
is just such a confusing concept, and it's like such a weird thing too. I don't know, but it's not just pretty much every language has it. It's not just JavaScript.
Oh yeah, but C had a classy just null. Right? It's just null.
I thought C had not a number. Am I wrong?
I would have thought so just because it's
Oh really?
The standard floating point. But null in C is just like 0 anyway, so.
Yeah. Okay, sorry. Okay. Let's do this left plus like 2. Okay, so I'm making a target right now. I feel like whenever I drive, I never explain what I'm doing. Making a target right now so that when we pick up pieces, we have like precise picking of pieces, and it's pink. So let's demo on the blue. Okay. Oh no. Okay. So then you and then we'll use the pink part to decide which one we're trying to pick up. Isn't that sharpshooting?
Yeah, I guess Unsigned Arduino is right. The reason that there is NaN is because IEEE has a standard for it.
Yeah. Well, and because there's millions of NANs.
That's true. I'm not a number.
I'm not a number. Joey's not a number. Okay, and so we're gonna get
Quick,
all.
Joey, what is U multiplied by 5?
5U.
And so now we're gonna see if anybody overlaps with us. Is that in scene? Is that in sprite?
That's right.
Okay, so if this piece is overlapping with the target. What did I name it? Target sprite. Oh, wow. So responsible. What is Joey multiplied with 5?
He kind of mumbled it. I didn't hear what his answer was.
What am I times 5? 35.
Joey is 7. How have we not? We've been streaming with 7 this entire time, and we didn't know it.
Wow, what an honor.
Please don't ban me on the forum.
Unsigned Arduino says next we should be making a chess bot in blocks.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
That's probably not going to happen.
No? Yes.
We just got to implement mini max and blocks.
I want to say Abhijit implemented a chess AI at one point.
Whoa.
I mean, I didn't help. I didn't take the class, but when I was TAing, somebody from the class that did it at UW had me help them with that project, so it was fun.
No, he did it in arcade, is what I meant.
Oh, fancy.
If I
Wow.
remember correctly. Or he talked a lot about it. I don't know. Abhijit is our infrequent guest appearer. He's been on 2 streams.
Sure, yeah, something like that.
He shows up sometimes.
Sometimes he just pops in at like the last 2 minutes.
Scares all of us.
Yep.
It's alright. We love it when Abhijit comes on. We need to ask him to come on more.
Yeah.
I was
What
gonna
is
have
he-
him show up for the 200th stream, but then he was off that day.
Aw.
right.
Rude.
Okay, and if holding piece, then we're gonna update its position. Am I doing this right? I don't know.
So one thing you could do is
Uh-huh.
when you pick it up, you could find all of the pieces that it could move to and change their tiles. And then when you put it down, you clear that.
Wait, that's genius. But then you'll be able to. You'll be able to see it too. That's perfect.
Yeah, you'll be able to see it, and it'll control where you can drop things.
I'm a big fan, and this doesn't work. Did I do something? Did I not change? Holding piece. What am I doing wrong? Where's my target? Okay, so this is call piece we're overlapping with for element of kind piece. Hell yeah. Okay, let's have it say something. Let's say like, aha, we found a piece. We found something useful. The hand's gonna say it. Talk to the. There's nothing here. There's nothing here. Okay. Let's see. There should be. There's nothing here. What do you mean by that?
Wait, where's your target sprite?
Big question mark. Yeah. Oh. That's unfortunate. Oh, thank you, Richard. Okay, let's fix this.
It's gotta have pixels.
It was working before. I don't know. I must have undoed too aggressively. Guys, it looks so good. Okay. Okay.
Sometimes it's so usually when I'm watching the chat, I have the stream up and not our call, and sometimes I'll hear Vivian react, but I won't see it for a few seconds in stream, and I'll just be like, "Oh, something's coming."
Wait. Why can't you see?
I mean, theoretically, I could do like the half and half window thing,
okay.
but
Okay.
That's why I have 2 monitors.
It works. Oh, I have a whole monitor to myself. I'm honored. Okay. Let's do a function. Highlight viable moves. And then maybe we pass in. Oh, sure.
pass in the
piece and the location.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Sorry, Richard, I interrupted you, but I wanted to see, if I could get it right. Do I just need the piece?
Yeah. You're doing the piece as a string, right?
As a sprite.
Oh, well, either way.
Okay. Well, we'll get rid of the column and row. Otherwise. And now let's make a big if.
Yeah, if you do it as a sprite, you don't need the column and row. Then you can just use the location of.
Oh. Okay. Very nice. We love, efficient code. Very compact. We love refactoring. So I will do that. Okay. Now, for the meat and potatoes, let's get some data off of it as a string. What data are we getting off the piece? What did I decide it was called? Piece. Let's go check.
I think it was type.
Type. Okay.
Oh, so we also got a suggestion in chat that we do a math quiz at some point. But we actually have quite a few of those on the forum. You should check them out.
What's a math quiz?
Quizzes doing math things.
Yeah.
Like,
What's
what's your
18
favorite
times
number?
37, Vivian?
What?
18 times 37.
A number is a number.
I think we have one of those in the course too. One of the courses, like writing a little math game.
Wait, what were the 2 numbers I said?
1837.
Okay. So let's see, that's 370 plus 18 plus 8 times 37, which is 240 plus 56, 296. So that becomes 666. Wait, really?
I'm not checking that math. Okay. This is inclusive, isn't it? Okay, so my concept for how to highlight.
Actually. Whoa,
Richard, look at you go. Amazing.
Richard is a demon.
Okay, my concept. Wait, should I explain how I'm going to do this, or can people just watch and then understand?
Just kind of just go with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you have questions in stream about what I'm coding, ask me. Otherwise, I like to hear Richard and Joey talk while I do this. It makes me feel like I'm not actually, streaming. Okay, so if we get the pieces position. How do I get the thing where it is? Do I have to bring the extension in?
What are you looking for? Location of sprite?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I totally know. Wait, it's in here, isn't it? Yes, thank goodness. I didn't need it to be in the list. I would have known the link to it, regardless.
For sure. Yeah.
Yep, that's one of my strong qualities, knowing all the extension URLs. I pride myself on it. Put it on my resume. Nope. Okay, let's see. Is there location of? Aha. So we got to put this in here. Got to put this in here. Okay. So first we want to check to see if it's within the board. Wait, is it for column 0 to 7?
So,
yeah. So we're going to
so
take...
we have the 2 nested for loops to go.
Do you need nested for loops?
So my concept was I was going to increase, the numbers. Oh, I don't need nested for
So all
loops.
you
You're
gotta
right.
do
You're
is
right.
go out sideways, and then for each of them, you have like an offset that you just increase, and then
Yeah.
you do plus that and minus that.
Yes. Yeah. Man, maybe I should be saying
And
what
on
I'm doing.
For any given direction, you'll also have to break. Like you can't go past a sprite.
The board.
Are you telling our chess pieces what they can and can't do, Joey?
Yeah,
That's
the
fair.
whole point.
Yeah, you're right. Yep, it is kind of the whole point.
Oh
I
wait,
think
there's
something
it's
that someone said a long time ago when I was in a game design class, so a video game design class, and they were talking about golf, and they were saying like if you think about golf, in theory it's a ridiculous game because the easiest way to get the ball into the hole is just to pick it up and put it there, and the reason that golf isn't just that is because of rules.
Yeah, I mean that's true for almost any game, right?
Yeah.
Except dodgeball. I feel like dodgeball is pretty much the standout there. You just gotta hit him with the ball.
I'm paying attention. Yep. So I thought I would make a function instead of making this if all the time. So the column has to be less than 8 and greater than or equal to 0.
So what two board
we're off.
games would? Oh yeah, you guys should do coding stuff.
Is it off by 1?
I mean, it's off by a couple, unless column. Yeah, because we're not based off the top left like origin. You're 2 tiles off from the left and 2 tiles off from the top, right?
Right.
So you have to
Okay.
translate it.
Plus. I'm
what
not going to
was
get a
it?
plus out of it.
Oh, this is kind of we had a dumb conversation yesterday that ended up being a lot of fun.
Oh yeah.
So we were talking about what 2 Olympics sports you would combine to make a better Olympic sport. And I think that instead I'm going to ask you guys right now, what 2 board games would you combine to make a better board game?
Ooh.
Wait, out of curiosity, did we specify Olympic and I just missed it entirely when I suggested football dodgeball? Okay, I wasn't listening that carefully, but football dodgeball is a premium sport that we need to make. Anyway, board games.
I'm not going to answer the question. All my brain power is going towards chess right now. Good luck, Joe. You have to come up with an answer for me. Also, chat, feel free to answer the question. Okay, so here we also have to do like the plus, 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 minus, minus, plus, minus, minus, you know? Location of piece. Row, column, row plus distance. Okay, I'm going to just do this for all of these, and then I'll do like the square stuff, you know.
Yeah, so we did get a suggestion of what of another game we could do at some point, which is baseball.
Ooh, I know the rules of baseball. Wait, is base? I actually don't. Is baseball? I think I'm confused because of what's the thing where you kickball? I was confused by kickball. Cause are you allowed to like throw the ball at people to get people out in actual baseball or no?
No, that would be very
that-
simple.
Yeah.
That would hurt quite a bit.
Yes, but otherwise kickball is very similar to baseball.
Yeah. Tile.
Okay. I think that alright, so I don't really like the game of life, but I like the big spinny wheel.
Mm-hmm.
I also don't really like trouble, but I like to pop-o-matic.
I think you just like buttons and like fidget spinners.
Yes.
I think that's true too.
Yeah. So maybe just combining those two for that? I don't know.
So you just want a sensory experience. Is it possible to get a tile location?
Okay, what about Mousetrap and Clue?
Wait, can I ask a coding question first?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I want to pass in the tile image, Richard, I don't remember how you did this the other day. Did you pass in the column and location to switch it to be like water tiles?
No, there is no way to check what the current tile is. Are you trying to? But there is on a chessboard.
Oh, by doing math?
Yes.
I don't want to do math. I just want to pass in the image. Can I pass in the
but
column row?
if you just do column plus row is even, is that right? Column plus row is even, it's a dark tile. Column plus row is odd, it's a light tile.
Okay, so I'll pass in the column row instead of the tile. Okay, cool. Thank you. Go back to your innovations.
Yeah, that sounds like it works.
Yeah. So, clue plus mousetrap. All right. You not only need to find out who the culprit is, but you also need to get them into the trap.
Like Home Alone.
Kind of like Home Alone, yeah.
I love it.
And like Home Alone, they would have one of those weird things that heats up a lot that he attaches to the doorknob that no one's ever had in their house.
An
as
iron?
far as I'm aware. No, he attaches something to a doorknob, but it's like this weird thing that just heats up really hot. I have no idea what it is.
Interesting. Okay, instead of, traversing my code, I'm just going to drag out.
But the character on the box will be doing this. Can't change that. It's too good.
Joey, okay, did you suggest your games?
No, I'm trying to think of what can go with Scrabble. Because I've decided I'm going to combine something with Scrabble, but I can't think of what it would be yet. Scrabble's its own thing. Maybe it is Scrabble Catan?
Maybe you have to do something to earn the tiles.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's Scrabble Catan because it's you get resources for all your words at the end of each turn, and you slowly can get other stuff. You can buy other stuff.
I like it.
Resources are way better than just lame points.
It's like buying a vowel. All right, Vivian.
What? I have to come up
one.
with one? Joey has to come up with one for me. I'm coding. This is a coding stream after all.
Oh, well, if you have to
it was
come
an
up
animal
with
fact stream.
Richard, what's the lamest one we can come up with?
Oh, you just got Chutes and Ladders and Solitaire. I didn't put any thought into it.
That's just a sad one, I feel like.
You said lamest.
Is kind of the most boring game because it literally, there's no choices you make. It's just, you're rolling a dice and then moving pieces and...
Okay, but what if it was Chutes and Ladders, but with your popper thing from Sorry?
Well, no, that's great.
Yeah.
Wait, that's Trouble, right?
Trouble.
Yeah.
I mean, they're all the same, right?
No, only Trouble has the Pop-O-Matic.
Oh, is that true?
Yeah, I think so. I think they patented it. I mean, because otherwise Trouble is Sorry, isn't it?
I don't know enough to say.
Okay, we got another question, which is if we could combine two card games, what would they be?
Oh, okay. Solitaire and Egyptian Rat Slap.
That seems weird.
You just gotta be really aggressive. It's it's yin yang. Cause Solitaire by yourself, introspective. Whereas Egyptian Rat Slap, you're very slap respective.
I'm gonna go with a very nerdy answer and say Pokemon and Magic the Gathering. I've never played
close already. They're both by Wizards.
Every card game's by Wizards of the Coast.
That's fair, yeah.
I have never played the Pokemon trading card game, despite the fact that I was an avid Pokemon card collector as a child.
I don't think anybody ever actually played that game.
Yeah, I don't really know what the rules are.
I'm not aware of it existing besides just having the pretty cards and be like, ooh, this one's shiny.
Yeah. My brother was actually going through our Pokemon cards the other day, because we were just curious what we had. And we do have a first edition card.
Ooh.
I do. Yeah.
Okay, guys. I made a mistake somewhere.
Do we forget to offset by 2?
Oh. I offset it by 2 somewhere. I didn't offset by 2 everywhere. Should I just move the board?
move the board. Yeah, we can handle all the offsetting later.
Okay. Man, that's gonna mess something up. But I can't remember what. Go over here. Okay, now let's see. Where did I hard code numbers? When I was setting up the board. And then instead of...
What's going on there?
Don't worry about it, Richard.
I'm worried about it.
Don't worry about it. Oh, no. Man, renaming for loops is such a headache.
It's true.
Big sad.
We should.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now it is beautiful. Don't worry about it. It's gonna work 100%. Yep. And let's see our bishop piece. Nice. Yeah, that's right. Oh, but we also have to see if it... Okay, thank goodness we have break. And also, I'm going to change the speed of the moving the hands to be like 50. It's way too fast right now. Okay, and then... Chess is such a headache. Why don't we do chess?
I told you. I warned you about this.
I gave you all the rules to like en passant and castling to scare you off before the
You didn't tell. The thing is, we didn't talk about the small things and how many pieces there are, and there's so many pieces. Okay. Okay, let's make 4 variables, or should I make an array? Because we gotta just stop doing one direction once it's like, blocked.
I guess nested for loop with 0 to 3, and then we can use that to choose which direction you go would be an option. It's not a good option.
You know what? I'm just gonna hard code. No, nested for loops. Executive decision. Oh, no, that's not good. This one, yes. No. I'm doing variables. Can go left, up. No, that's just gonna be temp bool 1.
I am concerned.
No, it's great. We're gonna reuse these bools. They're gonna be the best bools. I don't have a hoarding problem.
Good arrow emojis we can use, like pointing top left, pointing top right.
But then, okay, my issue is then we'll have like a bunch of variables, and then we're only gonna use them once. But this one,
okay. There are arrow emojis you can use up and right and like left and up.
Richard, your deciding vote.
I'm staying out of this.
Hey, it'll be so much prettier if we use arrow emojis.
Oh, but Joey, look, we already have all these variables created. Would be such a shame to have to change them. And so we're gonna use all of these to decide if we can still go this way.
Just wait till we get to the
I can abstain if I want to. I'm sorry, there we go.
I guess the knight's not actually going to be that hard.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna...
One and the other.
For
what?
Flexing my right to abstain.
And then this is gonna be column. And then row. I have so many regrets. Oh my gosh, there's only 7 minutes and I haven't even finished bishops yet. At least this is taking 4 pieces out. Okay. Should I have an... Should I have... Oh my god, I won't be able to test it either. Okay. Should I have an image that represents the board, Richard?
Well, you could just use the board to represent the board.
We could also just use standard string notation to represent games in chess.
No, I don't want to learn anything new.
What I meant by that was you could make it so that the pieces are tiles. That's one way to do it.
Uh-huh.
And then you just create a sprite when you pick them up and put them down.
only iffy thing about that is that you need to have both colors for all the tiles. But you can do that with just a replace color.
Yeah, but that would involve me digging deeper into this hole that I've created. That is my code.
Well, that's how I would do it. I would
Okay.
just make it so that you set for all of the tiles just where you're currently, in that code where you're currently setting up the pieces. Instead, you'll make a function that is like get tile for square, and you pass in the image, the column, and the row. You see if it's odd, and then you replace the transparency in the image with the right color based off if it's even or odd. And then you would just set the tile there, and when you pick it up, you set the tile to be blank. You attach it, and then you drop it down. You set the tile again. Sorry, does that sound like too much?
No, it makes sense. And I wish I had, like, asked for ideas at the beginning of stream. That would have been a very wise thing to do. Should I just do...
Having it as the sprite is kind of...
Well,
but then...
If it's easier for you to do it as an image now, then yeah, do it as an image. Like if you have an idea in your head.
Oh. I'm okay. You know what? Unsigned Arduino says I am stuck in this hole. Dig deeper. Yep. They're gonna make a new variable. Temp target. I'm just gonna make a sprite and then I'm gonna destroy it. To be destroyed. No, I need to make this clean. Okay. What are we gonna call this? Target. Man, I feel like that's a lesson to learn. Well, okay, Richard, do you think I should refactor it? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like I should be refactoring it, The way
it's really whatever's easiest for you. I mean, we're kind of out of time here, so maybe we just call it for a day and come back with a plan tomorrow or next day.
Yeah. Okay. What's the worst about doing it my way now? Is this I just gotta make a bunch of functions?
No, there's no problem. Yeah, you're just gonna have to make a bunch of functions to check, and you're gonna have to have a function that maps all of the colors to different pieces.
With this one? This way?
Yeah, because if you set it as an image, that's fine. But you need to say, like, color 0 is a pink pawn, color 1 is a pink rook, color 2 is a pink,
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Wait, why can't I just get the piece here? Get the piece here. I'll make the function get the piece.
Oh, yeah, you can do that too.
Yeah. Get the piece here. I think the other reason why I don't like Richard's way is then I can't use arcade sprite data, which would be such a shame.
That's true.
Okay, so
and there's no right way to do this. Whatever way works. So
okay.
Plus, this way we can apply effects.
Oh yeah, you know what? This is
like,
my
when
whole.
you take another piece, you set them on fire, and then when you take this piece, it makes hearts because you won that piece.
Mm-hmm.
We're not gonna do the Harry Potter thing of like they take out a sword and then they hit it and then it crumbles.
Wouldn't that be awesome? We should do that.
I did have a Harry Potter chess set when I was younger. It's exactly the same. It's just Harry Potter, like the same pieces from the Harry Potter movie.
I'm super into it. Okay. Okay, so we have get the piece here. And so if this is a valid square and
oh yeah, we might need to do outros now. We're getting
we have a next meeting. Yeah, okay. Thank you everybody for watching us make chess. We are, okay, so if this was the mountain of making chess and we started off here, I would say we're basically here now, basically have chess. There's just some kind of like, logistics and stuff we have to handle, but we basically did it.
Yeah, but the air is getting thin.
We're starting at the top.
We're
going
past
down the
all
mountain.
We're past all the ice crevices. Joey's got the flag and he's ready to plant it up on that mountaintop.
Exactly.
It is that like iceberg
or
picture
something.
that you always see where it's like a little bit at the top and then the rest under the water. That does kind of apply.
Yeah, and we're like waving to the Ricola guy.
Oh no. So maybe Joey's saying if this was not a mountain and this was an iceberg and we thought chess was this is what chess actually is. We'll see whether we're on an iceberg. Let us know if you enjoyed watching chess stream. I'll post this onto the forums, and please comment like, oh, this was great, or no, please do, horticulture game again, or something else. And then we'll discover if this is an iceberg or a mountain. So I'm Vivian, and I am at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joey at JWondrel on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Richard, and I'm Richard at Richard on the MakeCode forums.
And I'm Joey.
Richard, if you think I sound ridiculous, that's what you sound like every day doing your intro. Okay, see you guys.